Hi, Moras. How are you doing? Thank you for joining, guys. I just got only half, but I have already have two bowl here. A lot of it. This is it. Yeah. Guys, take this for you, for yourself. Mmm. Just you can see the nice melon. Yeah. It's very sweet. Very, very sweet. To be frank, okay? I like it when it's sweet, yo. I don't know whether they put sugar when planting it. So it's too sweet. Guys, in the summer like this, I like eating watermelon. If I go shopping, I can't even come back without buying watermelon. So this is the biggest size, SSL. More than SSL, guys. Hey, I don't have any place to put this thing. No. Let me read comments. I eat watermelon 1 hour ago. Really? Wow. Yay. It's good though. Mostly in this summertime. I heard that you can also eat the seed. Is it true? Can I eat the seed? Is the seed healthy? Healthy? Let me know if you do eat the seed. Is there any benefit from the seed? Guys, this is so delicious. This is the inside of it. Less seed. You don't have enough seed. Guys, it's lekker. Delicious. Guys, let me know where you are watching me from. Where are you watching from, guys? Don't forget to give me thumbs up, okay? I need your thumbs up, guys. And I decided to come live and cut this watermelon with you. This is too sweet, guys. I will not stay long. I'm seeing only 2 thumbs up. Please, guys, give me thumbs up. Okay? Give me thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Where are you from? When I say, where are you from? I'm from Dutchland. I'm living in Dutchland, but I'm from Defraland. Where are you from? And you too, where are you from? Let me know where you're from too. I think I've told you. I'm from Defraland, UBS. UBS. What am I saying? SUB. Not UBS. SUB. So guys, let me show you what we cut. I will add them in the fridge now. Look at it. This is all the thing I got from there. So guys, I'm going out now. Thank you so much for watching. Let me pack them in the fridge. Bryce said he deleted it from Germany. Why do you delete? Don't delete, okay? Whenever you are chatting, don't delete. There is nothing to delete. No. Why are you deleting something? So, guys, thank you for joining. If you have not given me thumbs up, please give me thumbs up. I'm going out. I'm not going to stay long. I'm just staying only for 8 minutes. Okay?